Hi there! So today we will be reviewing January's BoxyCharm as well as unboxing February's BoxyCharm, which I am always super excited to be doing. I love this subscription box. It's one of my favorites, and if you didn't know, it's $21 a month and you get anywhere from 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. Definitely a really great bang for your buck. So I will go ahead and review January's box first, and if you don't feel like sticking around for that, totally okay. I will go ahead and leave a timestamp here. That way you can just see me unboxing the February's box and see what I got. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. So first off, I want to talk about these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. And I used one and my boyfriend used one, and we both were really surprised at how soft our skin felt afterward. So what I did was I put it on, I left it on for the recommended 15 minutes, and then I took it off. I kind of massaged the serum that was on it into my face. Then I put on my regular nighttime moisturizer just to lock in that serum that was in that serum slash mix that was on the masks. And when I woke up, my skin felt so very smooth. So I was super impressed. And I would hope that if I had paid the full price of what the masks are valued at, I would hope that I would get such great results. So that definitely did not let down. And, I didn't feel any irritation on my skin or feel that it gave me any pimples or anything like that. So obviously that varies from person to person, but I have super sensitive skin, and so I'm always a little weary about trying new skin products, but this one was definitely gentle enough for me, at least, in the way that it didn't irritate my skin. I really, really liked those masks, and it kind of opens me up to trying other Tatcha products, so that's really cool. We will go ahead and talk about the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and this was in a 2 fluid ounces size bottle. I don't believe that's the full size, but nevertheless, I've used this, I want to say, maybe 5 or 6 different times, and I'm barely about right here on the bottle, so not maybe about the halfway point, a little bit more, if that. And as you can see, I have really quite long hair, and I used it today before I blow dried my hair, and it really does make my hair feel so very soft to the touch. I'm more of a makeup person rather than a hair person. Sometimes I feel like you're either one or the other, but I don't own a lot of hair products. So to add this to my collection and get it from a subscription box was really nice, because I never would have bought this otherwise. I really enjoyed this product, and along with other Briogeo products that I've used in the past, I have yet to try a Briogeo product that I didn't like. So this one is a great one, leaves your hair feeling super, super soft. I am happy that I was able to try it out, and I will definitely be using this one up. Next up, we have the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and my shade was in Miami Fever, and it's a very comfortable lipstick formula, which Ofra is very known for. This did not let me down whatsoever, and I know a lot of people online were saying that they didn't like this color, but for me, I really do enjoy these types of shades. It's kind of like a burnt orange color, and I'm happy that we were able to get it in the box, because these are pretty pricey. So far in the box, I am very impressed with what we got. Now I have here the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So when I first got this, I wasn't sure that the shade would work for me. I do have it in my brows today, and if you can see, the pencil here is not very pointed, and I find that I really do need that precision in a pencil brush to do like the tips of my eyebrows, because they're extremely sparse there. So if I mess up and I use too fat of a tip, it's just gonna look silly, I think, on me. Where I do have most of the hair in the front, it glided on really nicely. I don't feel that it's too stiff of a product or too waxy of a product, if that makes sense. It glides on very nicely. I don't feel like it's going to smudge very easily. Like today, I did set it with a powder. Like I put it on, and then I brushed through it. I set it with the powder, and then at the very tips where it's mostly pointed, I used my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil, which is really tiny and precise. So I like to do it that way. You know, if you have really full brows, I think you will enjoy this just on its own or whatnot. I thought the color was really nice, and I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. I'm not going to go and run out and repurchase it again, but I will be happy to use it up. Lastly, in the January box, I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, and here it is. I'm trying not to get too much of a glare there. And then here are the colors inside. So it's an 8-pan eyeshadow palette. And the colors are very neutral, which is never a bad thing because those are the colors that I tend to use on a day-to-day basis. And I really like Tarte's eyeshadow formula, but just like a past palette that BoxyCharm had sent us in this very similar round 8 eyeshadow palette format, I don't, like, it's nothing that I'm blown away by. So I tried this once and then I haven't reached for it since. And I already know that I'm going to go ahead and declutter it to my niece because she, you know, these are the kinds of looks that she's going to go for when she goes to school and whatnot. It's very beautiful yet subtle, and I want something a little more shiny than that. And I'm not saying by any means that this is a bad eyeshadow palette because it's beautiful, you know, but it's just very subtle for me, for my taste. So I would go ahead and pass this along, but I'm honestly not mad whatsoever that I got it in my box. I still hold value in it, and I know that my niece will enjoy it very, very much as well. So that about wraps up the January box. We will go ahead and go into the February unboxing. Okay guys, so fast forward a day later. I wasn't able to record last night, but here we are, another day. Today's actually Valentine's Day, so I hope that you guys are enjoying your day. And so we will go ahead and open this bad boy up. I have already cut it open so that you don't see my struggle face. And let's see what's inside. I think I got the box that I wanted. Whew. All right, so the theme is Afterglow. Here's a little pamphlet. And so I'm just gonna run through the products and then I will list like all the prices and whatnot down below. That way we can just make this a little quicker. Alrighty, so first I see something that I have been wanting for quite a long time. So it is currently still on my Sephora list and my Ulta's favorites. So when it first came out, it got rave reviews from like all the YouTubers and whatnot. And then the price was awesome. It retails for $18 for 1 fluid ounce of primer. It's a Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer. That's really hard to say. So here this is here. And as I was saying, when it first came out, it was sold out everywhere, so I couldn't get it. And then after a while, you know, I just kept buying other things. And so when I saw that this was a spoiler for the BoxyCharm box, I was very much excited. I'm gonna say excited a lot. Brace yourselves. So next up, we have the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. Dude, I am super thrilled to be using this one because I used up the last one they gave us, and I think it was in a smaller little tub, the original scent of this with the yellow packaging, you know, I'm sure you know, but I'm excited to smell this and put it all over my body. Very excited because I don't think that I would purchase something this expensive, even though it is, you know, a treat yourself kind of product. I just feel guilty when I can buy my like Aveeno lotion for like $12, $13 for a huge bottle that'll last me months, and then this one doesn't last too long. So I try to use it sparingly, and every time I smell the original one anyway, I am just in awe of how good a lotion can smell. So hopefully this one smells just as good, if not, I'll even take okay, because it was in a BoxyCharm, and I'm already super thrilled that I got the No Poreblem primer. So let's see what else is in here. Alright, so this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I already knew that this was going to be in the box, and I already know that I love it. I actually have this currently in a project pan, so I am wearing it today along with another Maybelline mascara. So I use the Maybelline mascara just to kind of separate my lashes. And then I will go in with this one to kind of give me that volume and length that I want. Does that make sense? But the two together is really beautiful. And this one even alone is really beautiful. But I don't feel like the wand separates my lashes enough for my liking. I don't know. It's all pretty personal preference. But either way, stoked to have this one in my collection once more. Because I mean, it's a $22 mascara, so this is, you know, $1 more than you even pay for the box. So it's a great value. All right, so, ooh, I'm dropping things. All right, so next we have the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and this is in the shade 127 Sparkling Sass. Let me put this box down. All right, so here is the packaging. Very shiny, just like I like it. It's very lightweight, but still very pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch it. I'm hoping that it's not too dark for my skin. It's kind of like a champagne-y color, and it's really beautiful. So hopefully you can see that. So it might be too dark for my skin tone, but I can always use it for eyeshadow, or I can even mix it in with another really light highlighter. So I'm excited to use up that because I know we've gotten some other Pretty Vulgar products in our BoxyCharm boxes, and I really liked them so far. Okay, so picking up the box off the floor, this one, I'm so very, I'm gonna say it, excited to have this product. Oh my goodness. So this is Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. So here is this. I don't think you can really see it because it's kind of like a black on black writing. So this is a cream eye pencil. I'm trying not to break a nail here. And so I have always wanted the Nudestix cream bronzer stick, and it's $30. So I promised myself that if I finished, I know I have like a Wet n Wild cream stick, and then some Smashbox, like a cream palette. Does that make sense? Cream contour palette? There we go. And so I said if I used one or the other up, then I could go ahead and purchase another cream product, because cream products are something I kind of honestly forget to use. Like, I'll have it set where my makeup is, and then I will powder my face and then think, oh crap, I should have put on the cream contour, bronzer, whatnot. So I'm really bad at remembering to use those. Is anyone else like that? But anyway, what I'm trying to say is that I have been wanting to try the bronzer from Nudestix, but I am really excited to try any product from Nudestix, and here we are, my friends. So this, again, is in the shade Copper Foil. Oh my god. Oh, and it's so creamy. Seriously, you guys, there was not much pressure on that at all. But look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Even if you did like a halo eye and put some of this in the middle of your eyeshadow look, I think that would be so beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm excited to put these all to the test for next month's review. All right, BoxyCharm, you win again. I was okay with last month's box. I still liked a lot of the products, as you saw in the review. I honestly, legitimately am truly happy with my birthday box this month. So I mean, they couldn't have done a better job in my opinion. And I hope that you enjoyed your box as well. Please let me know what you got, what you loved, what you didn't love so much, what you think you might love. I don't know. Let me know. So we'll go ahead and talk about these products in next month's video, and then I will go ahead and unbox March's box. Obviously, you know the drill. So I hope you are having an amazing day, and don't forget to stay kind and be awesome, you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!